The Ford Escape's rear windshield wiper system is controlled through specific mechanisms located in your vehicle's interior. Understanding these controls is essential for proper operation. The primary control for your rear wiper is located on the windshield wiper control stalk, positioned on the right side of your steering column. To operate the rear wiper, you need to rotate the end of the control stalk. This rotating mechanism cycles through the available rear wiper settings. The rear wiper has three main settings. Off completely stops the rear wiper. NT provides intermittent wiping at regular intervals, and on runs the wiper continuously. Some higher trim Ford Escape models also feature dedicated rear wiper buttons located on the dashboard or center console. These provide more precise control over the intermittent timing settings. An important feature to understand is the automatic rear wiper activation. When your vehicle is in reverse and the front wipers are active, the rear wiper automatically engages to improve visibility while backing up. This automatic activation is designed as a safety feature and cannot be permanently disabled through standard controls. It ensures optimal rear visibility when backing up in wet conditions. The most common way to turn off your Ford Escape's rear wiper is using the control stalk. This method works on all Ford Escape models. First, locate the windshield wiper control stalk on the right side of your steering wheel. Look for the rotating collar or twist mechanism at the end of the stalk. Next, find the rear wiper control, which is typically a rotating collar at the end of the stalk. Rotate this control to the off position to deactivate the rear wiper. If your Ford Escape has dashboard controls instead of or in addition to the stalk controls, you can use the dashboard method. Some Ford Escape models, particularly higher trim levels, feature dedicated rear wiper buttons on the dashboard or center console. Press the rear wiper button to cycle through the settings. Continue pressing until you reach the off position. Some models may require holding the button for 2 to 3 seconds. The third method involves using your vehicle's infotainment system to disable automatic rear wiper functions. For vehicles equipped with sync infotainment systems, you can access wiper settings through the vehicle menu to disable automatic functions. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Wiper Settings. Here you can disable automatic rear wiper functions like courtesy wipe when backing up. If your rear wiper won't turn off despite following these steps, there are a few troubleshooting tips to consider. First, check if the wiper blade is frozen or stuck to the rear window. Verify that the control stalk is properly positioned in the off setting. If problems persist, there may be electrical issues requiring professional service.